In this tutorial, we will examine how to use emojis as a course map to help students navigate through your course. Upon completion of this instructional video, faculty will be able to describe Emojipedia to enhance the instructional design of a Canvas course. In addition, faculty will be able to utilize emoji signals as a prompt to engage students in the course content. To identify emojis to incorporate into your Canvas course shell, you first should open an internet browser and enter the URL address emojipedia.org. You will notice that on this site that there are a variety of categories that are available for selection. As you consider your specific course, in the search box, you can specify the type of emoji or image that you are looking for. For instance, if you are requesting for your students to read a particular textbook or supplemental resources, you can enter the phrase book into the search field, search for that item, and then a series of emojis and images will be returned. You can then select the image of your choice, and after selecting that image, you will then simply select the copy option, and you can then paste this particular book emoji into your Canvas course shell. Now that we have identified a book emoji that we would like to include in our Canvas course shell, you should then navigate to Canvas, select the specific course that you would like to embed the book emoji into, and in your specific module, you will then create a text header. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I have created a module entitled Creating a Course Map Using Emoji Signals. So to embed the book emoji that you copied from Emojipedia, you will then select the plus icon located at the right of your module, and you see a list of options listed for you, and we will select text header. In the header field, we will then select Ctrl-V to paste the book emoji that we copied from Emojipedia and entered the phrase required reading. We will then select at the bottom of the screen the add item option, and now we will notice that the required reading text header that we have created includes the book image or emoji from Emojipedia. This is a great resource to embed into your courses to include a visual element or a signal for students, and they will see these specific emojis and signals throughout your course as reminders of specific actions that they are intended to complete. In your Canvas course, as you begin to develop a course map to serve as a visual navigation tool for your students, it is important to keep in mind that you can embed the emojis not only into a text header, but the emojis can also be embedded into pages as well as into assignments that you are creating for your students to complete. In this demonstration, you will note that I have created some additional text headers such as module overview, watch videos, submit discussion response, supplemental resources, and a module summary. In each of these examples, by utilizing the emojipedia.org page, you can find appealing and appropriate emojis and visual images to help convey to your students what they are expected to complete or to do next in your course. These are extremely helpful, particularly as we desire to help our students. For those who are visual learners, these visual cues and navigation tools serve within our course as an additional resource to remind students of what is expected, what they should do next, and then it also becomes a repetitive measure that they know what to expect throughout the navigation of your course in each of your modules and/or pages. On this page, you will note that I have included various emojis and text headers that you could possibly utilize in your course. As we think about instructional technology and we think about the importance of connecting course content with our students, the use of emojis as signals in your course combined with text information is a valuable instructional strategy that will appeal not only to your visual learners, but to every student that is in your course. There are unlimited options available to you by utilizing the emojipedia.org page, and you can find appropriate images and emoji signals that you can incorporate into your Canvas course shell. In this video, we have examined how to utilize Emojipedia to identify and select emojis that can be embedded into a Canvas course shell. We have also explained the importance and the necessity of incorporating visual cues that will help our students to navigate through a course successfully. Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.